Hello guys, welcome back. Actually we have a lot of good conversation in here, but yeah, unfortunately we are about to end our discussion. But before that, probably some of us will bring sort of like conclusion from our discussion. So without any further ado, probably Miss Samantha, could you tell me about what you can get from our discussion tonight?
Okay.
What you can conclude?
So I think I think it's such a great topic to talk about personal branding. So I think, as you guys say that personal branding is a value that you show up to others. So you will be known with the thing that you have showed to them. And then the personal branding have like a lot of benefit despite the bad side. For example, for the benefits is that you will be the society will be known you even though you just like mention your name, and you will be easy to know with your branding that you have set up on society. And however, it still have like a bad side. For example, that we can distinguish whether or not you are really, is it really you are the thing that you show up on social media, or you show up on your on people, or it's just like a flexing or something like to show off. So I think that's all that I can take in this great composition.
Oh, thank you, Miss Sam. So what I can get is that it's about normally there's like positive and negative side.
Negative
It depends
side.
on how we distinguish that thing. Okay, so moving to our brother Richard. So what you can get from our discussion tonight?
Okay, for me, personal branding is a purpose for someone to get a promotion, especially if you are working on your office. You need to show your good intention to your boss or your senior, which will make you get promotion after that. It's the personal branding is a key or a tools for you to involve in society.
Oh,
yeah.
nice.
If you don't have personal branding, the people in society will not know you. But if you have, everyone will know you. You are the most known people around there. Oh, that's for example, like, oh, that's him. I know him. I know him from the BPEC or Smartfm. I already watch him. Then the people will know, and they will tell to to everyone. Okay, so your personal branding will increase. Okay.
So it means that personal branding matters a lot, because it allows you to be seen as a good society. So moving to our brother Budi. So could you share probably what you can get from our discussion tonight?
I think for me, I can say that personal branding is really, really important, especially these days, because everything requires personal branding. Because it includes finding a job or anything else. But let's just say if you want to self-branding yourself, please do it genuinely. Like if you need to faking it, just don't do it too much. Because if you faking it, it will haunt you back. Let's just say an example, like when you promoting yourself as a really good person in mathematics, but apparently you're not. It will hunt you back. It will hunt you back. It will put you in difficult situations. That's why please do genuinely. And
So it
be
means-
honest to yourself. Yeah. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so it means that we should be wise on promoting ourselves, yeah. So we should promote what we are really, what we are really capable to do. So yeah, probably the last, Bro Alwin, do you have something to say? Probably a closing statement.
Well, I think the last thing that I want to say that these days branding ourselves personally is really important. CV is also a form of branding ourselves personally. So if you don't get a CV, if you don't write your CV, especially when you already graduate from a university, you will be left behind. And I think almost all professions need to personal branding themselves, but not all of professions. Like a thief or a robber, they cannot personal branding themselves, like, because what they do is
It's a wrong thing,
Yeah,
right?
it's wrong. Yeah, it's impossible. Like, I have been robbing many houses.
I'm the greatest. I'm the greatest thief ever. Oh God.
or I've stolen Raffi Ahmad's house.
Oh, no, that's a wrong
That's
thing.
dangerous. Yeah, don't
Okay.
do it.
Okay.
Yeah. I think that's it.
Okay,
That's
so
okay.
yeah, thank you guys for the nice discussion tonight. We have shared a good insight, especially for me and also for the smart listener. Hopefully, what we are discussing in here, it's going to be beneficial not only for us but smart listener out there. And then the last I say, don't forget to always watch us every Tuesday night at 7 to the 8 p.m. Yeah, p.m. Sorry, 7 to the 8 p.m. So every Tuesday night.
And also, don't forget to follow our
that's- yeah.
Instagram account.
Yeah, that's right. So at BPEC Makassar, yeah.
Yeah, and
Okay.
also if you are excited in learning English or meeting new people, please just come to our lovely Sunday meeting. We are welcome. We are very welcome, you guys.
And also, we BPEC are running like open recruitment. So for those of you who interested, who want to be like the committee like us, and you, if you want to sit in here to be a speaker on radio Smartfm, you can join us. The link will be put on the bio of BPEC Makassar.
Okay, so that's all, guys, about our tonight's discussions. Hopefully, it will be beneficial. Me, Nahwi, and
Alwin.
Sam.
Budi, Richard.
okay, BPEC.
Wow, bright and
breezy. See you guys.
See you.